Welcome back to the Biker Brute channel. For 2026, I'm adding different content. I'm going to be adding some Crooked stuff, some Harbor Freight stuff. This is a Harbor Freight 16 by 30 3-shelf steel service cart that I'm going to put together in an attempt to mount my Blackstone 22-inch grill. This was $50 on sale at Harbor Freight. By the time the video comes out, the sale will probably be over. I think it's up to $70. It's a smaller cart, but I have a small grill. So let's get to it. Harbor Freight magnetic dishes. Got them on dollar days, $1 a piece. If you're not following Harbro, follow him. All right, from here it's just gonna be a shitload of screwing. So these are gonna go on the corners. We got our little bolts. I got my barrel screw gun. These are Phillips heads. The screws. The bolts are 10 millimeters. I got my 10 millimeter wrench. And I'm just gonna start building. So they got washers. The washers gotta go on, obviously. And I'll probably fast forward this. All right, just giving you a close-up of what it looks like so far. So you got your screw, then you put the washer in and the bolt in. And now I'm gonna work on the next level. Okay, I got the first 2 trays on. So what I'm gonna attempt here is putting this one upside down so I can mount the Blackstone. I brought this Bauer drill gun from Harbor Freight probably 5 years ago. It's still great. I just leave it plugged in, leave it inside the house. If you use the bigger drill, just make sure the setting is at where you're not gonna over tighten it. So I have it on 15, which is pretty light. So instead of stripping it, it'll just stop and make that obnoxious noise. Next is the wheels. So make sure you put the 2 swivels on the same side. All right, I got the completed cart here. It's pretty solid. I have my 22-inch Blackstone here, and I had all intentions of screwing it in there and mounting it, but these rubber legs on the bottom pretty solid. I mean, they're really sticking to that. I don't see any reason to destroy this. It's solid. It's a little bit dirty. I cook a lot on this thing. But the key was definitely flipping this over to give it a flat surface to cook on. If you have any ideas of how to mount this on here better, I was going to drill holes into it, but I mean, there's really no need for it. It's solid on there. All right, so that's it. That is the Harbor Freight cart, the red cart, whatever. Link in the description for it. If you like this video, you want to check out my motorcycle videos, there's more to come. I got some parts coming in for the 24. I might do some things on the Evo. I'm not sure yet. I was thinking ape hangers, change it up a little bit. Haven't gotten to it because it's been like 20 degrees out. I know, we're wussies here in New York. So hit the like and subscribe and check in, and happy 2026.